So here nomenclature of ketone. Ketones are the organic compound containing CO group as a functional group. So there are two systems of nomenclature. First trivial and second IUPAC. In trivial name system, the names of aliphatic ketone are based on the names of alkyl groups or aryl groups attached to carbonyl carbon, and name of alkyl or aryl groups are written in alphabetical order followed by word ketone. So here prefixes like di, tri are used, and also alpha, beta, gamma are used. In case of substituted aliphatic ketones, the position of substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta and gamma and so on. So names of aromatic ketones are based on a phenol. So here trivial names of ketone. Here CH3CO, CH3. So in trivial or common system we consider total number of carbon atoms in that structure. So here CO group is present. So here two methyl groups are attached to this carbonyl carbon. So it is dimethyl ketone. Its common name is also acetone. Here two methyl groups are attached to this carbonyl carbon atom. So it is dimethyl ketone. Then in second structure, here methyl group is present and here ethyl group is present. So they are attached to this carbonyl carbon. So in alphabetical manner, ethyl methyl ketone. Here ethyl group and here methyl. They are attached to this carbon atom. This structure can be written as like this. In this way, we can also write. So it is dimethyl ketone. And here ethyl methyl ketone. Then in third structure here methyl group and here propyl groups are attached to. So methyl N-propyl ketone. Methyl N-propyl ketone. Then in fourth structure there are two groups are attached. Here two ethyl groups are attached to this carbonyl carbon atom. Then in this structure there is bromine is attached to this carbon atom, and here CO group is functional group. So after that functional group, the carbon atom which is present, that is known as alpha, and to that carbon if any group is attached, then its position can be written as alpha, and again if any more substance or substituent is attached, then its position can be written as beta. So here functional group is CO, and after that carbon atom this carbon is present, so it is alpha, and this bromine is alpha bromine. So alpha bromo, two carbons are therefore ethyl, and 1, 2, 3. So it's N-propyl. So alpha bromo ethyl N-propyl ketone. Then in this structure CO group is present, it is mesytyl oxide. Then in this structure its trivial name cannot be determined. It is also like diketone, and in last structure there are two phenyl groups attached to CO group. So it is diphenyl ketone. The second method of this nomenclature is IUPAC nomenclature. In IUPAC nomenclature, select longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing CO group. Now, give number to that longest chain in such way that carbon should nearest from that end. So, this structure, there is simple way 1, 2, 3 because CO group is present at the center. So 1, 2, 3. We can give number to that longest chain in left to right or right to left because that carbon is present in the center. So total number of carbon atoms in longest chain 3. So parent alkane name is propane. Now replace E by ONE. So alkane will become alkanone. Alkane will become alkanone. So letter E of alkane will change by ONE. So 1, 2, 3. Parent alkane name propane. So it is propanone. And if any substituent is attached, then write its position and name before name of parent alkane in alphabetical manner. Then second structure, here we can give number from left to right because this carbon is present at the second position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Total carbon 4. So parent alkane name is butane. So it is butanone. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbons are present in longest chain. So it is pentanone. But carbon is present at the second. So pent 2 ONE. 2 pentanone or pentane 2 ONE. Like this 2 pentanone or pentane 2 ONE. Then fourth structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are present. So parent alkane name is pentane. So pentane 3 ONE. Pentane 3 ONE. Because this carbon is present at the third position. So here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So bromine is at second position and 6 carbons are present. So this carbon is at third position. Parent alkane name hexane. But here bromine is present at second. So 2 bromo hexane 3 ONE because CO group is present at the third position. So 2 bromo hexane 3 ONE. Then this sixth structure, here methyl group is present at the second carbon and this is carbon. So number from right to left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 4 methyl, total carbon 5. So it is parent alkane name pentane. So pent, here double bond is present. So it will pentene. Double bond is after third. So pent 3 En and carbon is present at the second carbon. So 4 methyl 3 pent 3 En for double bond and 2 ONE. Again see this structure. Here 5 carbons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here functional group is present at second carbon atom. So carbon is present at number 2. And after third carbon atom there is double bond. So En. And at fourth carbon atom here methyl group is present. So in longest chain 5 carbons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So parent alkane name pentane. Then at second position functional group is present, and at fourth position methyl group. So 4-methyl pent 3-en and 2-ON. 7 structure. So there are 6 carbon atoms. So hexane 2,4-diol, because here 2 ketones are present. So it is diol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexane 2,4-diol. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 also butanol. 4 carbon atoms. So it is 3 also 3 also butanol, because CHO group is present. So it is aldehyde. Here 2 functional groups are present, aldehyde and ketone. So it is 3 also butanol. And last, benzophenone. Benzophenone.